After using this robot vacuum, I don't think I want to use that CD disc style robot anymore. I'll get into that in just a second. So I've used a robot vacuum at my studio. I've used it at my house, but then I set up my mom with a new robot vacuum, and I'm actually kind of jealous of what she has now. And it's literally because of that roller style. I really like the rotating roller like a pin versus the rotating discs. I mean, it's just like an inconvenience kind of thing. If they get hung up on an area rug or over an obstacle or something, like they tend to pop off. But with this roller pin style, it doesn't fall off. That is just something I wanted to cover right off the bat because it literally is something that separates this robot from the rest. For this video, we're taking a look at the Ecovacs DEEBOT X8 Pro OMNI. This isn't your average robot vacuum. It packs some serious features and includes an all-in-one OMNI station. And we're gonna go through the paces and see if it lives up to the hype. So let's get started. First of all, let's unbox this together. What's it come with? Inside of the packaging, you're gonna get the robot itself, the OMNI station, a couple extra side brushes, the cleaning tool, and of course a user manual. Right out of the box, you can tell that this is a premium device. It's got really good build quality, it's solid, and the station is surprisingly compact in comparison to some of the other stations that I've used. This one has a kind of glossy black finish, and it's got a sleek design that definitely has a high-end look to it. Setting up the vacuum wasn't difficult at all. The app is actually pretty user-friendly in my opinion. Basically, you scan the QR code that is on the paperwork, and you're able to get that downloaded, log in, create an account if you don't have one, and pretty much the rest is pretty easy to walk through. You'll put together a few pieces on the robot itself, fill up the water tanks, put it in the place of the house that you want to have it at, and have it map out your location so that way you can kind of get used to what your house looks like. All right, now it's time to talk about some of these features that really just sets this vacuum apart from the rest. The roller actually has a name. It's called the Ozmo Roller Instant Self-Washing Mopping Technology. Unlike traditional robot mops that just push dirty water around, the X8 Pro OMNI features an advanced Ozmo roller system that continuously cleans itself as it mops. With 16 precision nozzles delivering fresh water and built-in scraper removing dirt in real time, every pass is an effective first. No streaks, no cross-contamination, it's just a spotless floor every time. Another feature is called TrueEdge 2.0 Dynamic Dual Edge Cleaning. Cleaning corners and edges has been a challenge for most robot vacuums, but it changes the game with its extending brushes and the roller. So it's actually pretty neat. Like you watch it and you can see it extend in and out, trying to get as close to the sides and objects as possible. I really wanted to put this to the test, so I crushed up a bunch of cereal, spread it around the floor just to see how it would treat it. I had to increase the power and the suction in order to get all the pieces up, but it did do a really good job of getting everything around it. Another big test that I wanted to try out was, and I kind of regretted it as soon as I did it because it just felt gross, but I squirted a bunch of ketchup onto the floor. I figured it was a red color, it'd be one of the easier things to show up on camera. It was actually kind of neat. So it detected the mess, and whether it was the cereal or the ketchup, it detected the mess, and it went over to that area a number of times until it figured that it was the best job it could do. Now, with the crumbs, it did a pretty good job. Maybe a few here and there that was left over. But with the ketchup, it got the majority of the mess up, but I still needed to go back over it because it was a little bit of a sticky floor after it got done mopping up the area. I will say, like, it saved me a ton of effort on my end to have to clean up that mess. Another thing that I noticed was when it went back to the charging station after cleaning up the crumbs from the cereal, when it hit a lip, there was some of that cereal left over. So it didn't actually suck up everything that first go around, but when I did increase that power, it seemed like it did a better job not leaving any kind of tracks. So talking about that power in the suction, this thing packs a pretty good punch. With an impressive 18,000 PA suction power, this robot doesn't just pick up dust, it can lift up embedded dirt, pet hair, even stubborn debris from carpets and hard floors. And thanks to the Zero Tangle 2.0 technology, long hair and pet fur don't clog the brush, making maintenance a breeze. And to add to a note to all that it's gonna take care of hair and all that kind of stuff, is that it would actually trim it. So it doesn't get tangled up because it's getting cut up into smaller pieces. It's always fun watching these things try to avoid obstacles. I put things in the way to try to confuse it, but it actually navigated around all the objects that I had laying around. I just kind of put some of the dog toys around the bones just to see how it would navigate, and it seemed to go all the way around it. But what was really impressive to me was when it was going around the kitchen table. Now that's a lot of legs. It's got the table and then all the chair legs are in the way. And I even put some of those crumbs around those areas to try to, again, trick it and put it to the test. But this thing navigated around the legs just fine. And even with that extending roller and also the brushes, it really collected a lot of stuff around all those tight spaces. One of the reasons why you would even get a robot vacuum is to reduce the amount of maintenance that you have to personally do around the house. This all-in-one Omni station takes care of everything. It automatically empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop with hot air, and keeps itself fresh for the next cleaning cycle. That means less work for you and a better hygienic atmosphere and environment. This actually has AI built into it. It's called Smart Control with EcoGPT AI. If you don't want to use your hands, you can literally just say the word. The X Pro Omni features a EcoGPT AI, which allows to give voice commands like clean the living room or clean under the sofa, and it gets the job done. You can also use the Ecovacs Home app for real-time customization, from setting up no-go zones to adjusting cleaning modes on the fly. Even if you're away from the robot, you can have it do the things that you want it to do. You can even interrupt the cleaning cycle. If you just wanted to go to a certain room or a certain area, you can do that. Let's break down the pros and cons just a little bit. It's got excellent obstacle avoidance. It's got powerful suction and effective mopping. The Omni Station is incredibly convenient. It's got an intuitive app control, and the build quality is good. Because this is a premium device and it takes care of a lot of stuff, it's going to come with a little bit heftier price tag than what you might be used to. So overall, I'm very impressed with this robot vacuum. I've enjoyed the experience. The setup is easy. And speaking about being easy, let me point out one fact. I was installing this in my mom's house, and no offense to mom, she's not the most tech savvy person around. So I needed something that was gonna be easy for her to handle, so I didn't have to be tech support 24/7. I mean, it's a high-end hands-free cleaning solution that is going to take on tasks so you can focus your efforts on other stuff. It can be scheduled to clean up around your schedule. You can have it do it while you're away. You can do it while you're doing other stuff. It's not gonna interrupt your daily life at all. You know, sometimes we have to invest in our time. And even though that this thing has, a decent price tag on it, you gotta think about the time that you're saving from having to do those daily tasks of cleaning stuff up. It even cleans up after your own mess. If you drop or spill stuff, crumbs, liquids, it's gonna take care of all those messes. And I love the fact that I don't have to mess around with those discs that just fall off. With all these advanced features packed into one device, the X8 Pro Omni isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a true hands-free cleaning solution that takes on the floors so you don't have to. If you're interested in picking this up for yourself or your mom, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. If you found that this video is helpful to you, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more tech reviews like this. And until then, stay techie.